Hello everyone, this is Ravi Kumar Verma and welcome back to this channel to RP English World. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss some important point related to spoken English, right? You will have to know about the core rules and essential structure of the sentence, right? So here are some important point you will have to know about that. So the first thing is that the four core rules of speaking. So the first thing is think simple, right? Use easy words and direct phrase like I want to go, I want to eat, I want to play, like this. So think simple, right? And the second thing is use short sentences. Simple sentences like please give me a water, what are you doing, where are you going, like this word. So use short sentences. And the next is speak slowly and clearly, right? Don't rush your word, focus on correct pronunciation, right? So speak slowly and clearly. And the next is don't fear mistakes, right? So mistakes are natural and it's a part of learning. And this is a saying, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So don't fear mistakes, right? So these four things you will have to know about that, and these four things you will have to keep in the mind, right? And the next thing is the core rules and the essential structure of the sentence, right? So you will have to know the basic structure of the sentence, right? So sentence, verb, subject, verb and object, this is the very important part of every sentence, right? So subject, verb and object, this is a essential part, right? And next is positive and negative sentences, how we can make positive, how we can make negative, right? So you will also have to idea about the positive and negative. Next is how to ask question, right? So basically you have to the basic idea of sentence structure, then you can speak fluently and clearly, right? So that's for today's.